Now, a little more gravel under that wheel. That's it. Bring the pole over here. That's it. Now give me some of those branches.
Now, may I make a suggestion?
Mr. Pendleton, please. Mr. Bronson happens to be our expert in tractors and farm machinery.
And if he can't get us out of here, no one can.
Thank you for that vote of confidence. All ready, Sergeant. Now everybody get behind and push! 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 Well, I think we finally struck firm ground.
I think you struck oil, but you can have my share. Do you mind if I go up the road a piece to see if I can find a farmhouse or a telephone or something? Good. I knew you wouldn't. Griggs, why don't you break out that last bottle of brandy? Everybody could use a drink. Right, Mrs. Carrington?
Well,